Welcome back to Bike Buzz. If you're into retro charm blended with modern performance, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the freshly updated 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350, a bike that keeps its iconic soul while evolving just enough to stay ahead of the curve. Designed timeless appeal with modern touches. The 2025 Classic 350 stays true to its roots with that familiar vintage silhouette, teardrop tank, and generous chrome touches. But look closer, Royal Enfield has refined the paintwork, improved the finishes, and added a few subtle details like updated badging and fresh color schemes. It still screams classic, but now with a sharper edge. Engine and performance smooth as ever. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, is the same trusted 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder J-series engine, putting out around 20 horsepower and 27 newton-meters of torque. It's not built for high-speed racing, but for smooth, enjoyable cruising. The refinement in this year's model makes the ride even silkier, with fewer vibrations and a more confident throttle response. Ride and handling comfort meets confidence. Royal Enfield's focus on comfort continues with the 2025 model. The wide seat, neutral ergonomics, and well-tuned suspension make for a super relaxed ride, especially in city traffic or weekend escapes. The bike now comes with dual-channel ABS as standard and improved disc brakes for better control. Features and tech classic meets contemporary. While it stays minimal to preserve that retro feel, the new Classic 350 does pack a few thoughtful updates. You get a digital analog instrument cluster, USB charging port, and optional tripper navigation pod depending on the variant. Nothing overdone, just enough tech to stay connected and informed. Price and verdict still great value. The 2025 Classic 350 remains competitively priced, making it a top choice for riders looking for character, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned enthusiast, this bike continues to offer unmatched value in its segment. Outro. Subscribe for more. That wraps up our first look at the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350. What do you think? Does the new Classic live up to its legendary name? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more two-wheeled reviews and updates. Ride safe, and see you in the next one. Let me know if you want to add voiceover cues, timing, or variations for a longer video.